Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you a quick bonus tip on foundations and how to show a foundation on, say, like a walkout basement situation. We have this situation in the current model where the basement level, I'm on level 0, will show this walkout basement. So there's framing shown typically in plan view, but if you open this wall, you'll notice I have my framing wall type above a concrete wall type, and my height off of the floor is going to be -4. I'm not sure why the sample picture here is showing that door all the way down to the footing, but that's not how the door will actually appear. So what I've done is I've set up, we've got our CD plan view for construction docs, and that will show the framing wall, right? And we've got our dimensions and our notes for the framing of this, but I also have a foundation layer set, a foundation annotation set, and a foundation saved plan view. So when I go to my foundation saved plan view, the beautiful thing about this is that in my CD plan view, I don't have to show the lower wall. In my foundation plan view, I don't have to show the upper wall. So because this wall is set, let me show you what would happen if we change this wall type to be height off the floor 0. I don't want to see the doors, so I'm just going to turn those off in the layer sets. But if I make this wall type height off the floor -4, I just see the wall, the foundation concrete walls themselves. So I can quickly keep this model I can show 2 plans essentially on one layer, one floor level. Floor level 0 has remained. I'm just going from CD plan view, showing the architectural framing, to the foundation plan view, showing the stem wall. How we do this is in the project browser, I'm going to go to foundation plan view and right click on that and click edit. And in the wall display options, I'm just going to show the lower wall. And in CD plan view, I'm going to edit that. And I'm just going to show the upper wall in the CD plan view. Then just double check and make sure your walls are seen. Use default. Display in plan view, use default. You can override the default of these saved plan views per wall individually right here. So if I really wanted to show the upper wall of this one, which I don't, I would just change that. But I'm going to keep that, change that back to wall types, change that back to use default. And there's my foundation plan. Quick and easy way to show, as I said, show 2 plans, if you will, on one floor layer. I hope this is helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. And if you've gained value out of this, would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Until next time, have a great day.